What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, Vlogmas. We're keeping it going for you guys. So we are actually on our way to Dickey's barbecue pit here in Arizona. We have not eaten here in a long time. It's kind of like it's a food chain, right? It's a franchise. We're about to do a little vlog as we go eat, show you what we're eating. And the missus is getting ready, so do not worry. Veronica will be in this vlog, so here she goes. She wants to match me.
I just woke up.
How long did you
sleep? So hungry.
How long did you sleep for?
30 minutes. Hey guys, we are on our we are on our way. Ooh, or no, to pick up barbecue food. I'm so happy.
She really is, though.
Yeah.
She really is hungry.
So we are making a decision, guys, in between two spots. We either were about to get Houston's. It's pretty good restaurant around here. We haven't been there for a while as well. Or we were going to get barbecue and
Chose barbecue. Barbecue.
I don't feel like, honestly, dressing nice.
Exactly. I didn't feel like sitting down, going through the whole
sitting down in the restaurant. Yeah. That's another thing.
No,
so
it's too much. So
you're excited. You're excited, baby. You're excited. What you gonna get? What you gonna get? We're not posting that, but
yes, we are.
Hey, this is us. This show is called This Is Us, guys. But Vlogmas, another day, guys. Christmas is coming. It's so weird, honestly, to think about Christmas in the state we live in. You guys know, I'm from Poland. At that time of the year, you already did not want to go outside and be outside because it was that cold. And it is that cold in Poland, so sorry to all my loved ones. I love you, and I feel sorry for you. But like I said, so it's very hard. It's even harder to get in the Christmas spirit. Oh, let me show you guys. The park that actually Mike always works out in. If you guys want to get him, come to this park.
Y'all can come all y'all like.
Twice a day.
Y'all can come all y'all want. I'm not gonna be there. That's not the part, baby.
It is. Oh, Hungry Howie. Look at the sunset.
Hungry.
What is wrong with it? You guys.
Oh, look. Oh, it can't stop. It won't stop. I can't get it to stop. Come on.
Who is he, guys? Who is he?
Am I too turtle enough for the turtle cup? Turtle. Oh, it's going again. I can't get it to stop, baby. I can't stop. Am I embarrassing
We
you?
need food, guys. No, we are like...
I'm sleepy.
I just took a nap, so I'm definitely not sleepy, but I'm so hungry and I cannot wait. We're gonna show you guys what we got.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get something good. So sure. Alright. We'll catch you guys when we get our food. Bye.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me. 'Cause you all mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down, would you take a to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder.
We have arrived to our destination. I'm gonna show you the outside of it.
I don't have a mask.
Dickey's barbecue.
Look.
Where did we pick her up? We found her on the side of the road.
2, 1.
We found her on the side of the road, y'all. Don't mind her. So we're about to go in here and get our food. So we're gonna show
I
you what it
don't
looks
have a
like when we
mask.
get in
I
there.
don't know if they're gonna let me in.
No, they're gonna let us in. Don't worry.
Get close to you. Get close to you. Get close. I want this. I want
Look at her, y'all. She ready. Look what you doing. What you
Looking at the
doing?
coupons. I want ribs. We don't ever get coupons. No! But my feet, I'll feel.
Yeah, I'll take that actually. The nuts. But I'll get it when her ribs are done.
Any barbecue sauce strips? Wow.
Yes, please.
Original sweet or spicy?
I take spices.
Whoa.
I should have got that. Oh, shrimp.
Hey, you ready like my food. Yummy.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. That's sweet.
Sweet has the S on it.
Ah, yes. Whoa.
She is ready. She is extremely ready. Phenomenally ready. I should have got that.
What you got? What's that?
Some dog food.
No. Why is it mixed?
Oh, it's supposed to be.
What is it?
It's macaroni and brisket.
Maybe you can exchange.
Think so?
I don't know. You touched it, so probably not. But you can have some of mine.
Alright, bye guys.
Let's eat. Guys, so I got some onion rings, potato casserole, as you can see, yummy, and half a rack of ribs. Yummy!
I switched my meal. I got what you got.
You trying to be like me? Promise. He got exactly what I got. Onion rings too. Mac and cheese.
This is a big plate.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are having a good holiday.
That's all I ate. 3 pieces and a casserole. I cannot handle Mike. Ooh, he ate it all, guys. No, I'm just kidding. He didn't. He packed it like they're about to take it away from him or something. No, we're just boxing our food, guys, and gonna head home to get some hot tea, huh, baby?
You make it.
After all this food.
You make it.
Huh?
Don't you make it?
Yeah, I can. Wanna get some ice cream? They have an ice cream machine right there, guys. But we usually cannot. We cannot even eat afterwards whenever we come here. So, yeah, we've tried once, I think. Right, baby?
I
Hmm?
think we need it once.
It's zoomed in. Alright,
We're out of here.
out of here. What about my food? You gonna pack it for me? Cannot even fold this box, guys.
Bye.
What? You guys, I asked him if he wants some ice cream because I wanted some, and he went and got it by himself. You gonna give me a bite? Mark, look at him, ugly. Hey,
Camelback Mountain.
hey, Camelback Mountain, get your food right here. Get your food.
Weronika.
You mean? Yeah.